A working woman's world is awesome. There's control, there is independence, there is glamour, there is support, and there is acceptance. Welcome back to My Fair Lady with me, Geeta Modi, as I bring to you women in startups from this bustling and bubbling city, Surat. My guest today got her idea of startup after watching her niece's love for pets. So she went into this untapped. She holds a gold medal in sports and also has completed her master's in cosmetology. Let's welcome this inspiring entrepreneur, Nishma Singhal. Welcome, Nishma, to the show.
Thank you,
Such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
So, of course, we are all very eager to hear about your journey. Tell us, how did you get this novel idea and how did it all start, and how did you get it running and people accepting you and your idea?
So altogether, it's like a long journey, short journey, I would say. So since I was a child, I used to tell my parents. My parents belong to service class family. They have been working throughout their life. My sister, all of my family. But I was always like, I don't want to do service. I want to be my own boss and I want to do my own business. I don't want to be 9 to 6 job, with no offense to anyone.
Right.
So I basically hail from Delhi.
Right.
And after finishing my studies, got married, came to Surat, and I was sure I don't want to be at home even a single day. Next day I started going to my husband's office in order to learn business कैसे होता है, क्योंकि I have seen how service is done, but it was a new chapter कि business कैसे होता है. So I joined him for a year or so, learned few tactics here and there was a lot of collision between my husband and my thinking process. ये ऐसे क्यों नहीं, ये वैसे क्यों, why this thing is right in business and why something is wrong when it comes to service. So started learning about it and I was hell-bent down कि मुझे अपना R&D खुद करना है. I don't want to take someone's formulation and then do few changes here and there and then अपना brand निकाल दो. But I was sure I want my own. So I created a small mini lab. वहाँ पे I started creating R&D थोड़ा बहुत. I started doing it. जो है, fortunately for me, my in-laws have been very, very supportive towards it. So we started our journey with men care. Men में we firstly launched balms, like lip balms, if it is smokers paradise, smoochers and hangover. So within 6 months of launching, we were an instant hit. Within 1 month, we were stock out on Amazon.
Wow.
And normally people say it takes 6 months to just get recognized and start sales rolling.
I think the names you put over there were the catchy ones.
Exactly. So we have actually copyright and trademark. So yes, that is very important. Please copyright and trademark them. But then I had to take a sabbatical for 2 years. So when I came from my sabbatical, in the meantime, I had my baby and that journey. But in the meantime, also I was learning digital marketing and then was looking at the formulations and it was kept on rolling. It was a process, even though I was at home, but the process kept on rolling. Okay, so after I came back from my sabbatical, then we started doing marketing analysis and then we realized men ka jo hai market have sailed. So because there were too many competitors and bootstrap karke didn't make any sense to be in that men market.
True.
So instead of being sad, I did. Obviously, I'm a human and I'm supposed to.
Of course, you can.
So
you're allowed.
I was very sad, kya hai? I don't know what to do except cosmetics. I don't think I'm good at anything. That is something my forte कि बनाना आता है, R&D आता है, यही करना है, क्या करे? So my husband jumped into it and he said, okay, we are not able to see कि क्या market gap है, क्या है. So let's start doing survey. हमने 52 products निकाले for female, male, home care, baby and pet care. So how pet care became because of my niece. So my niece, she recently adopted, she had adopted Shih Tzu at that time. तब जो है, we went to pet markets and then we saw the gap and then we also included pet grooming products in those surveys. So हमने ऑनलाइन डाला, ऑफलाइन, लाइक यू नो हमने जो है मेल फीमेल पेट पेरेंट्स हर जगह पे we distributed the products
Okay.
in order to see कि what response we get. So to our surprise, pet products took off.
Oh.
And then we started working on pet products more. Like you know, we started studying them even deeper. कि जो है क्या है, कैसे है. And then we realized that there is a huge market gap between Indian products and international products.
Okay.
Yeah. So our motto is only international quality products at affordable Indian
rates. Wow.
Yeah, so that is have our been journey. So our international quality, what we are doing is our shampoos. So we have shampoos, conditioner, all the products for dogs and cats currently. So we started our journey with shampoos and conditioners of dogs. So their R&D is done with the Malaysian company.
Okay.
And we have healing balms. Those are 100% natural healing balms.
For the pets.
Yeah, for the pets. Like it is enriched with arganol, shea butter, beeswax.
Oh.
Yeah, and then we have perfumes. Like those are water-based sprays. So for that, the perfumes are procured from Europe certified perfumers.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now we have this much of range, but more grooming products are in R&D, and they would be launched by March.
So you think that now besides like dogs and cats,
Yeah.
which other pets you would be able to cater to?
So there are like you know
People have
guinea pigs.
parrots and people have
Yeah, guinea pig
Yeah,
pigs
they
are
do.
also like you know slowly and steadily increasing. Fish, then birds.
Yeah, birds, of course.
Yeah. Birds का भी बहुत ज़्यादा trend हो रहा है.
But
Right.
fish cannot need grooming products, or they
No,
do?
no, but we are not
Okay.
just going to just be on the grooming, like you know, grooming segment. So
okay.
we want to do accessories. We also want to get into food. We want to be a pet wellness
okay.
brand, like
Okay,
you know,
okay.
that is our 5-year
So for the
target.
fish, they can have a beautiful tank, the lovely
Tank.
house.
Yeah, but plus
Yeah.
food is there, and you know, lot many things are there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And when you're saying that you are going to give this at affordable prices,
Yeah.
so you think right now just because people are buying all these products internationally, that is why you all are affordable, or there is a vast competition in India and that is why you all are affordable as compared to them?
So affordable in the sense when it comes to quality. So India में the range is below 200 or above 1000. So
Okay.
above 1000 is जो international brands हैं and domestic brands जो कि 200 से नीचे हैं. Okay, so we have placed our product
Somewhere in
290 rupees में
Okay.
200 ml. And why we are saying it is affordable, though it is little expensive than Indian products, but our dilution, like for especially for shampoo, so they can be diluted up to 10 times.
Okay.
So the number of washes decreases, so the cost also decreases. And for the spray, you can do 10,000 plus sprays in one bottle,
one
which is for
bottle.
100 ml. And the healing balm, those balm is just a swap, and you are done. आपको वो नहीं है कि proper cream की तरह, like you know, you have to take. So एक जरा सा swap and it is so much moisturizing power कि वो that will be done.
So your healing balm is for something if the pet is hurt or if it's wounded or something, for that.
Yeah, so it's 3-in-1 healing balm. So it moisturize also, जैसे अब weather change होता है, so their paws and everything like you know dry हो जाते हैं. You can apply there, and अगर कोई छोटी सी चोट लग गई and everything, you can easily apply there and it have those healing powers. And tick and flea के लिए also, because it have essential oil like spearmint, peppermint, lemon, bergamot. तो वो जो है it like naturally वो tick और flea को भी जो है eradicate करता है.
Oh, so amazing. So, do you have any one example, you know, where you felt that yes, I'm on the right track, you know, by seeing one pet who, or maybe an owner who was so fed up and then, you know, then really changed?
So, we keep on getting like, you know, people keep on messaging us.
Yeah.
So, what we have done is, whenever an order goes like online, so we have this card, like you know, just thanking them, like you know, thank you so much for buying, like you know, our product, and it was made with a lot of love and care, and like you know, if you could share your experience with us, like did you like the product, if we can improve and
or
everything.
whatever.
Yeah, so they actually send us pictures with their like you know pets, and the response, I'll give you a small example. So there was this pet parent who called me up 9:30 at night, and he's like, ma'am, my pet have this issue, like because of dryness, he's itching. It was a season change, and we want, like, you know, we want something products. I don't know, आप मुझे रातों रात जो है भिजवाओ and this and that, and we did. Like, you know, we want to be there 24/7 for your furry ones.
Yes, yes.
And then there was another female, so she was like, कि जो है, my pet have an odor issue, and we have tried many products and nothing have happened, this and that, and we suggested them try this particular product, like, which is our extra white 5-in-1 shampoo conditioner. Try this product and the odor you won't face. So try this product. And she was going gaga, and it felt better because she was using a competitor's product, and we were like, yes, we feel proud about it.
Of course,
we feel proud about
of course.
it. Yeah.
Nice. So you coming from Delhi and, you know, wanting to settle in Surat, was it a big decision to make from a big, huge metro to a smaller town? And
So-
you know, people don't really, girls prefer staying in bigger towns with all those facilities.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I had love marriage. So
Okay, so then love conquers all. So I think that is
yeah,
you
yeah.
cannot
I
say.
mean, everybody says marriage is an eye opener. Of course, it was an eye opener, and it took my own time to settle down in Surat. It's not Surat, irrespective. Like, you know, I haven't stayed in Delhi since I was 18 years.
Okay.
So I have been in hostel. I have been traveling. So irrespective, I would have shifted to any city or
Okay.
any other country. Also, you take time to adjust. So I've taken my own pretty time to get adjusted and acquainted to Surat, and it's not a very difficult city to, like, you know, live in.
Live
People
in,
have been
right.
very friendly, and yeah, I am blessed with the best till now.
Yes, touch wood,
yeah,
yes.
touch wood. So all have been very good and happy.
Happy to be here. Yes. I think Surat sort of just grows on you, you know, once you're here. Like I shifted from Mumbai, and I know because people all kept saying, who goes from a bigger city to smaller
Yeah.
city and stuff like that. I had my share of, you know, advice given. And then I just feel that now if I need to go to Mumbai, I feel I'll just go there for a few days. But like this is home.
Yeah.
It's
So you know what
just-
I feel is the opportunities which we can get in Surat.
Yes.
The advantages we have, like, you know, limited number of people. So what advantages we have over here, we won't have it in bigger cities.
In bigger cities.
Yeah.
I think everybody over there is competing, every house, every lane, every,
Yeah.
you know, nukkad gully, sab jagah par sab kuch everybody is into. Like, yahan par there is a good scope for
Yeah, to
development
expand,
and
to
expand.
yeah, you know, exposure
To make your
level.
name, yeah.
Yeah.
That is good. So, do you think that your market has a lot of competition, and do you foresee much competition coming up in the near future?
Definitely. I think, I mean, competition is good. It keeps you on your toes.
True.
जो है, there should be competition.
There should be.
वरना boring हो जाएगा business. You won't जो है मजा नहीं आएगा काम करने में. Definitely, I mean, competition is in every field, every field. So you know, the positioning what we have done. So we have competition from international brand also कि हमें वैसी quality देनी है.
हाँ.
But हमें प्राइस जो है इंडियन देना है क्योंकि हम इंडिया में सेल कर रहे हैं तो हम प्राइसिंग पे भी. So that sort of competition right now हमारा दोनों जगह से है.
Right.
So yeah.
Okay, but like in quality also there are people who can come up with, but yours is unique, and what is unique to you will remain unique to
Yeah, वो तो brand जो है, you know, brand name easily जो है ये नहीं बनता, but you have to work towards making a brand, like creating a brand name. I mean, quality yes, but एक बारी brand name बनेगा, then they are going to try the product, then they are going to fall in love with it, then they are going to be like, you know, ours only कि वो और कोई brand use नहीं करेंगे. So that is how we are trying to make it happen.
So tell me the essence behind naming this product, because you have a very unique name.
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
So Zoe Wayne, I really love unique names like mine. So Zoe Wayne is derived from from an Italian word called Giovane. It basically means young and youthful. So you know, it went exactly with the brand image what I want to create. Like, keep your pets young
And youthful.
Yeah.
Great. So where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
So I definitely see myself like, you know, Zoe Wayne pan India, spread pan India, and like, you know, spreading abroad. And we 5 years down the line, we want to have like a pet wellness spa, a Greek style, like, you know, and with nature theme spas which have Zoe Wayne products, like, you know, everything of whatever pet needs available in that wellness spa, and we have vet there and then drains as well. Yeah, that's where I see Zoe going.
Lovely. Awesome. This was so good to know, because it's very rare when you get to talk so much about pets. People talk about their children, people talk about their husbands, they talk about their careers and everything. But pets is, of course, a very new and different and novel topic.
Yeah.
So now we come to that part where I ask you rapid fire, quick questions or whatever you may call it. What are the 2 qualities of your parents that you admire and you think you have imbibed it?
My parents, freedom.
Okay.
Another thing, trust.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you follow that
Yeah,
same
so I actually believe in, like, you know, giving freedom to my kid, even if he's 2 years old, and if he want to eat something off the floor, I'm okay with it. I want to give him that freedom कि वो जो है कैसे टेस्ट कर रहा है, क्या है, be there, कि वो कुछ, like, you know, doesn't fall off or something, but I want to give him the freedom to learn on his own. कि आप जाओ, आप वो learn करो. I trust him. ये, I mean, and I don't treat him as like a kid. I try to explain him as an adult, okay?
Right.
Like, you know, Adru, this is what, this is the thing. Mama wants to go to office. Can you help Mama? Please, हम फटाफट से, like, you know, whatever we can do your routine thing, and he'll be quick.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not कि जो है he'll be crying कि like Mama needs to go to office or we need to go somewhere. Let's, like, you know, hurry up with our routine and let's bounce. So he understands everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Knowing whatever you've done now, what would you give your 18-year-old self? What advice would you give?
Don't fear. डरो मत, लगे रहो. आज फेल होगे, कल फेल होगे, परसों कुछ ना कुछ तो ठीक ही होगा.
And even if you keep failing, it's okay. Keep trying.
Yeah,
so what?
you get up, you fall back, and चलो वापस से करें.
Okay, if there was no night and you never had to sleep, what would you keep doing?
मेरा बेबी छोटा है. I want to sleep. I genuinely want to sleep. I have a small baby. He doesn't sleep, but I want to sleep. Please hand it up.
Okay, so we don't give you the non-sleeping
I
part.
want to sleep. I have a small baby. No.
Okay, if you suddenly, instantly become an expert, you could suddenly become an expert at something, what would that be?
R&D cosmetics.
Okay, suddenly, just ये किया तो तुरंत result आया, that way.
I mean, I won't say I am, like, you know, I have done my studies, but obviously उस level तक पहुँचने के लिए I want to be that.
Okay, so that was my rapid fire. Now it's the time for Geeta Gyan, and you get to ask me a question.
How do you manage it all? Like, you know, motherhood, following your dreams. How, like, you know, how a woman can have it all? Like, what is the mantra you go for? Like, you know, as a female, we want all. हमें business भी चाहिए, हमें career भी चाहिए, हमें family भी चाहिए, हमें social life भी चाहिए, हमें baby को भी ignore नहीं करना है. So how to have it all? Like, you know, what sort of mindset you have it in कि जो है it doesn't जो है आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो.
I think the first thing any female should learn is to take decisions quickly and confidently.
Okay.
You know, I've seen women, you know, they keep on getting confused a lot. They keep wavering, going from one to ये भी करूँ, फिर किसने बोला तो ये भी कर लूँ, इसने बोला नहीं ये भी ठीक लग रहा है. So, you know, in that you waste a lot of time, you waste a lot of effort, and you waste a whole lot of, I mean, finally what you have thought.
Okay.
So you should learn to take decisions quickly, rationally, and for yourself.
Okay.
So the minute you learn to take those decisions, everything starts falling in place, because then you know, if I want this, you take a decision. Is this required? Do I want it?
Okay.
Do I need it? Is it necessary? And quick. If it is, okay, have it. If it is this, if you want to do it, how much it is going to, you know, take up of your time, whether you want to, it's going to be good for you, bad for you, good for your child, bad for your, whatever. So then those questions, as per the situation, circumstances, things, persons, people, places, whatever it happens, you are able to take those very rationally and very quickly, without really going and seeking advice and help and, you know, opinions and things of others. And I think whatever you think, you will think from the bottom of your heart. You will, you know, because your baby, your life, your house, your family, yourself, everything is yours. So what what more would you not think for it, you know?
Yeah.
You would think the best and you would want the best. I mean, you would never want anything of that to go back or go bad or something. So decision making, which I have seen a lot of people lack, is one thing. Second is time planning, which is another very, very important thing.
Exactly, time planning.
Yeah, time planning is so important and people really don't realize. But I think whenever I have been somewhere, it's always maybe on time or 5 minutes early or whatever. But you know, you just have to value not only your time but other people's time. So these two things are one of my first advice which I would give is these two things, that you start and then things will start falling in place, and then of course discipline and, you know, system, you do things in a proper system, get organized. There are so many other things which follow. So I think that's it.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome. And now we want to know, what is your mantra of life?
So my mantra is, so whatever journey we go through, there always be obstacles, like, you know, something also. So उस time पे, like, you know, we're like, why is happening to us, क्यों हो रहा है हमारे साथ, ऐसे क्यों, why us only this? But when you reach up to, like, you know, at this level, then you realize why were those obstacles were there and why did you had to go through in order to reach here. So that is my mantra. Whatever happens, happens for a reason.
Good, wonderful.
Thank you.
Awesome. I wish you all the very, very best in all what you have dreamt of, what you have thought of, what you have planned for, and for your future. I hope you achieve all what you have desired.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for taking time. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We met Nishma Singhal with her pet project. If you have pets, do reach out to her. And I'm sure you have many more comments to give me. So do put them down. Subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you again with another inspiring journey, another guest from Surat. Till then, stay fit, be happy, and remain awesome.